Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream, Bitcoin technical analysis. This live stream is going to be very short. Why? Because, well, actually I have some things to do today, so sorry, but I will try to be very direct with this live stream. First of all, okay, yesterday I was in 4-hour chart. I was reading 4-hour chart here. Yeah. Here, let me show you here quickly here, because actually I took a loss yesterday. Here, here, yeah. Here we have here the sideways signal here, exactly here. I open a short position here, $20,000 400, because, well, as I said before, I have a system, right? And I follow this system. ADX negative here with sell signal in 4-hour chart. So the projection was here at least testing around maybe 20K around there. So, but that didn't happen. What I did, well, I used my stop loss. My stop loss was around 21K, about this high around here, something like this. Very small stop loss around here, 21K here. Very small stop loss. One moment, my entry was here and my stop loss here, around here. Yeah, around here, 2%, and my recent reward was around here, potentially ME55, and also extension maybe to $19,000 400. Okay, so but what happened? Well, Bitcoin, well, it was in range, and after that we saw this move to the upside. No problem at all. As I said, I am very happy because, well, I cannot predict the markets all time, right? So I took a stop. I took a loss. Long time actually I didn't take a loss, but it's fine. Okay, what's next? Bitcoin to the moon, right? No, my friend, no. If for you something is broken, the triangle, for example, I know now people, they are calling about this triangle. Is very funny because one trader on Twitter with more than 200 followers, he said something like this: it breaks to the upside, is like this; it breaks to the downside, is like this. So he's always gonna be right? So, and now you check his Twitter, he's saying as predicted, right? It's very funny. Okay, let me tell you something here. I don't know you, but this move is like this. Okay, simple. I finished my technical analysis in 1-day chart. Okay, and the reason is simple, because I follow a system, and this system is telling me right now Bitcoin is testing the seller line here, and Bitcoin even cannot test the ME55. And you think Bitcoin is breaking the ME21 or this area of volume? I think you are wrong, my friend, because for you maybe this is a reversal. For me, it's just a test in 1-day chart. This area is a big area in area of supply. Okay, so someone said yesterday, maybe in 1-minute chart, this is broken to the upside because the point on control, right? It was very funny conversation. Okay, so time is over here. Not because I said time is over, that means short 100x right now. Of course not. It will take time. Yeah, it will take time. Maybe you will see a couple candles here. Yeah, some sideways here, maybe other spike here, potentially, yes. But the time from the seller line to see something like this, and Bitcoin even is not testing the ME55 right now, and even is trying to break this level, my expectation is still the same. They are still the same to the downside, okay, in 1-day chart, of course, in 1-day chart. So what I'm going to do right now? Nothing. There is no setup right now. If you are in short right now, well, good luck with that, because, well, you're trading 1-hour chart in short. Yeah, maybe it makes sense. Potentially we are gonna see sell signal soon, but this is not my game and it's not for me. Okay, 4-hour chart here, we don't have sell signal anymore. After I saw Bitcoin crossing the 23 level here with ADX, I actually said, okay, I'm gonna take a loss. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, this is strong. We don't have better divergence in 4-hour chart. Technically speaking, right now in 4-hour chart, Bitcoin is still strong. So in the next 24 hours, I am not expecting Bitcoin is just gonna drop like this. No, maybe it's gonna be in sideways between here and as I said before, I know right now for someone the line, right? The line is very powerful, is broken, and this triangle, I don't know. And you know what is gonna be pretty funny? If I am right with this, in 1 week they will do this. Sorry, my triangle was not here. It was here. Sorry. This is a triangle. This is not a triangle. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, so be careful if you are doing this. Okay, maybe you are in profit right now. At least if you are doing this, okay, totally fine. At least manage your risk. Okay. Okay, so right now here in 1-day chart, let me show you here. Bitcoin is testing the MA21. No, it's not broken there. It's not broken, not yet, because, well, when we want to see a reversal pattern, we need to see something like this. Here in the pullback, here, exactly in the pullback, when the area of demand now, this was area of supply, now it's going to be area of demand here. If this asset holds this area, and also the MA21, for example, is coming here, and it's holding, and also we have the conditions, we have the buy signal, etc., 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 all the conditions of my system. Yes, here, yes, you can expect other leg up, maximum to the MA55. That's it. That is your move. Okay, so you're thinking to the moon right now, 40k, 50k, 100k. Oh, very innocent, my friend, very innocent. So this is just a corrective move. Okay, that is the point. So right now, what I'm doing right now, not today, but in some point this weekend, I'm gonna start looking for shorts. Okay, this weekend, not today. Actually, I am not expecting it right now. Actually, today we are gonna see shorts. No, I actually no, I'm not looking for short in short term. No, because, well, you are thinking, okay, it's because this is the area. Who is telling you Bitcoin? Here's the top. I don't know. I mean, you ask me. I don't know. If you're thinking this is the top, okay, good luck with that. But I don't have evidence to say Bitcoin found the top here. Potentially, yes, makes sense, of course. Now, let me tell you something. In 1-day chart, I said long time ago, I think almost 2 weeks ago, I am projecting sideways, right? Top and bottom. Okay. Now, here, short because Bitcoin is going to zero, and here long because Bitcoin is going to the moon, right? Very, very, very smart. Very, very smart. No, this is a range. Still is a range. If you wanna see this, this is a reversal. I explained you need to see this, at least with my system of trading. After that, you see the pullback to the moon if you want. Okay, here many examples we have about this. Let me show you here. Actually, I show you many times this one. Breaking, testing, and to the moon, right? That is the same. It's the same thing. And you can apply the same thing here, for example, here. Breaking, pullback to the moon, right? You see? Breaking, pullback to the moon. It's the same thing. Exactly the same pattern always and always and always. Okay? So here, this is just a test. Okay, let me repeat. This is a test of the biggest area of supply. Of course, I will be very bullish of Bitcoin. Here, if Bitcoin, let me be very, very clear. Bitcoin, yes, you're right. It's about this around $21,000. I will say. Okay, any close in 1-day chart below $21,000, or is better actually. Any close below the MA21 in 1-day chart, you will see full rejection, and we will see other test to $19,000, and that is my scenario. So we have the bottom here, yeah, we have the top here of the area, and we have the middle line. The middle is this one. Okay, you have three. So as a trader, I am trading a range in 1-day chart. Bottom, top, bottom, top. Okay. Now, when I am expecting the big move, well, we don't have evidence right now here. According to the volatility, this is still in yellow. That means the market is still trending, right? The biggest move, or at least with my system, in 1-day chart is when I see the blue cloud here again in some point. If I see the blue cloud here, I will say get ready, because Bitcoin is gonna move other $10,000. Okay, so for now we are in range. So this is ABC or something like that correction. And also one thing here, as I said before, it's Friday, so weekends usually Bitcoin is in sideways. Yeah, it's in sideways. So we are gonna see potentially the next swing short but I am looking for the next swing short very soon. So let me explain here. In 12-hour chart, if I have 12-hour chart here, one moment. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, 12-hour chart here to the moon, right? Yes, I am very bullish because my 1-hour chart broke. Okay, wow, to the moon. Okay, 100k. No, you're using 1 hour chart just to say this is gonna reverse. My God. Oh my God. We have a serious problem here. Okay. So testing the MA55 here. Pay attention here. Testing the MA55. Testing the MA55 into lower chart. Testing the MA55 here. Oh, sorry. I am not saying Bitcoin is gonna do the same thing, but based on probabilities, well, what is this? Not today, not tomorrow. You have to wait for the confirmation, and we don't have confirmation right now. We have ADX positive here. Actually, one of the members in the Discord, he was right. He anticipated this move. In my case, I was sleeping. Okay, here, ADX positive here, and we have this momentum today. In the next 24 hours, Bitcoin is still strong, at least for this bounce. Yes. To the moon, no. This is just a corrective move, and from there, in some point around here, in some point, not exact because I don't know exactly the last number, right? This is like this. Okay. Same thing like here. People were very excited here. Let me show you one moment. Here, right? To the moon, right? Yes, to the moon here because Bitcoin reversal, and here to the moon. What happened after that? My projection for 1 month was the same, like this, always like this, like this, like this, always. Why? Because the trend is my friend. And tell me, this price action, study this price action. Do you see any difference right now with this price action right now? Tell me, do you see something different? No, right? We are still in downtrend. We are still in downtrend. In one moment, in some point this year, I'm gonna be very bullish. I promise. Yeah, but not today. Okay, so just I want to be clear with this. Now, looks like some of you were very happy because I took a loss. I don't know why, but let me tell you something. For me, as a trader, taking losses is part of a trader. I mean, I am very happy when I take a loss. You know why? Because I need to improve myself more. That's why every time when I do a mistake, not just in trading, in my life, I am very happy. You know why? Because it's a good opportunity to learn and avoid that problem. What was my problem here? Well, that is my homework. Tomorrow, this weekend, I'm gonna study my setup here because, well, I record all my setups since 2000, I don't know, 16, I guess. I will study my own setup here, why I failed with this projection here. Yeah. As a trader, remember, we are humans. We cannot see the future. The only thing I can tell you here is, in 4-hour chart, here, following my system of trading, right? Here. Sorry, around here, let me see. Here, this is a sell signal. Yeah, this is a sell signal. I was just looking for this range from this point and this point, and that's it. And also we are in the biggest area of supply here in this moment, and now technically speaking the trade execution was correct. But as I said before, we don't have systems like they are perfect. Okay, so based on probabilities, of course, what I did, just I managed my risk. That's it. And I'm very happy. You know why? Because if I didn't manage my risk, my stop loss was at $21,000, around 100, around there. So my stop loss was here from this point and this point here. Imagine, if I didn't manage my risk, well, this potential 1.7 loss, it could be around 6% or 7% loss. That's why risk management is the most. When I am trading, I am more focused. I pay more attention not how much profits I am making, is how much I am losing. I am not losing. And let me tell you something. For I don't know how many days I've been trading this range very successfully, very good actually. One day I said I will take a loss, but my loss here never will be higher than all my profits I made here, I made here, I made here, and I made here. Yeah. So for as an example, if you are trading this range, right, and in total you are covering maybe 3 or 4 trades, and next example you are making, for example, $400, all this, and here you take a loss and you lost just maybe 50 bucks, well, you are still in profit. And also I have other short here at $30,000 exactly, $30,000 200 around here. I have the other short, and potentially in the next pullback here, potentially will close that short maybe. Okay, so let me repeat this because, well, I think it's very important. In 1-day chart, I know people, they are expecting right now to the moon right reversal, at least in 1-day chart, not with me. Okay, here this is just a range from this point and this point. We have the range right now, and from here to the moon, no. Here, no thank you, at least not with me. And no longs here, no shorts here. Bitcoin is just in a range sideways. Okay, now there are different things. We have very interesting signals right now. We don't have confirmation, not yet, but I said yesterday, in 5-day chart we have some signals for Bitcoin, and I'm very happy to say this actually because I don't want to see Bitcoin at 14K. Let me tell you this. Sorry, my cat. Okay, I don't want to see Bitcoin at 14K. Why? Because if we see for Bitcoin at 14K, we are gonna destroy, or Bitcoin is gonna destroy all the wonderful monthly bull market. Okay, if you see Bitcoin at 14K, 10K, Bitcoin is gonna enter in a monthly reversal. Okay, so that's why I don't want to see it. Here, right now, we have no confirmation, not yet, but potentially we are gonna see the next 10 days a potential bounce signal here for Bitcoin. For USDT dominance, we have that signal. So let me see. 2 days more. Okay, if by Friday, sorry, my next Monday, next week, in 3 days, Bitcoin is closing like this, we are gonna get a confirmation in 5-day chart like Bitcoin is getting ready for a bounce. So not because I am saying for a bounce, that means next day. No. It's 5-day chart. So that means the projection is in the next 2 months, around there. Okay. So get ready because, as I said before, many times it's very bad when you are too bearish, especially right now. It's not smart to be bearish. In the spot price action, I am 17K. And of course, if I see the potential bounce signal in 5-day chart and higher time frames, we will see maybe 2 or 3 months in sideways, and after that continuation here at test maybe around 27K or 29K maybe this month. Okay, so in weekly chart is very important to close because this is very constructive here. As an investor, I will very happy to see Bitcoin closing above about $21,000. Okay, but remember, this is weekly close. We have to wait for the weekend, and not because you see this close that means the next week Bitcoin is gonna crash. No, actually, this price action is for the next 2 months, and 1-day chart is for the next 10 days. Okay, if I am saying Bitcoin in 1-day chart is gonna drop like this, well, potentially this drop, my friend, is gonna be your buy, the next buy, potentially. Okay, so remember, if you are new here, always I trade from macro to micro. Okay, one thing is what I see in 1-day chart, other thing is what I see in weekly chart or monthly chart. Okay, right now here, Bitcoin in monthly is in a real danger right now. Why? Because for first time in the history, Bitcoin broke the MA55, as you can see here. But as I said before, actually I record a bit about this. The best scenario for Bitcoin right now is to be in sideways here for the rest of the year, like this, sideways. And from here, we can say potentially this is a bear trap in the monthly, and after that we will see continuation to the upside. Okay, so it's too soon right now because, well, we are in just the first week of this month, so we need to see. This is very simple. If we see July closing below 17K, be ready because all the things I said, we will see the validations, of course. So what is my trading plan? It's very simple. In 1-day chart, I'm gonna start looking for shorts because my projection is like this. Okay, the direction. Don't pay attention of the price. Okay, the direction. Weekly chart, we don't have nothing right now, not yet. We don't have anything right now. But 5-day chart is looking better. It's showing me potential bounce signal, but the problem here is the ADX. As long as the ADX is positive, potentially this could be a fake out. So that's why I am a little bit defensive. Okay, skeptical. Okay, so also we have some bullish divergence here in 5-day chart, so this is very good. So it's just about time. We need to wait for confirmation, at least in my case. Okay, I'm not rushing. Okay, the last thing for 1-day chart is this. We have potentially any close below MA21 around $21,000 to 100. We will see a validation of this move, and we are gonna see better divergence in OBB. And if I see a better divergence in OBB, there is a very high probability we will see this leg down to 18, 19K again. So that's why, well, I am not excited when I see the green candles or red candles. I'm not excited because after doing this many years is something normal. Now here, okay, let's talk about this indicator. Remember, this indicator is the contrarian indicator with dollar, yeah. And actually, fair enough, this indicator is very powerful. I need to start. I'm going to study more often this indicator. I created this indicator I think 6 months ago. But this indicator called the move very, very good actually. And someone in the group actually, the Discord, he actually was. But in this case, look at this. The signal is here, exactly at $19,000 to 100, and from there, very good move actually. And this indicator is quite powerful actually. But as I said before, I don't have a strong evidence right now to include this indicator in my system. I am using it, yes, but as an optional indicator. And something I need to tell you right now. Well, this indicator is the contrarian indicator. So that means is if the dollar is strong, Bitcoin is weak. If Bitcoin is strong, it's because dollar is weak, right? It's the contrarian indicator of dollar. So here, as you can see here, instead of crashing, is rising up. So that means the USD dominance is increasing or is getting ready. So that's why I will be very careful here. If you are in long here, because to the moon, I will be very extremely careful. Why? Because, well, let me show you. When you see the bounce here and also the bounce here, that means the dollar is increasing the strength. You will see potential corrections. So that's why just be careful. And also with OBB, we have sell line here today. It's about to test this weekend. Potentially in some point this week, next week, we are gonna see the continuation to the downside. Now, I said that yesterday. If I am right with the technical analysis, and if we see this drop, my friend, this drop, I am potentially this is gonna be the last drop we are gonna see for Bitcoin in long time. Okay, so Bitcoin is not going to 1K or 0. Okay, that is the thing I'm trying to say. Okay, so you are in the investors channel on Discord. We are gonna have a live stream, a special live stream for all of you guys, where I'm gonna share my trading plan and also my portfolio, of course. Remember, I am a financial advisor. Just I'm gonna share what I'm doing and what I'm going to do for this bounce. Okay, so if we talk about the USD dominance, where is this? Here. Okay. As you can see here, it's dropping here, but the sell signal, the buy signal is still present. That's why I will be very careful. Okay, I will be very careful here because it's still in sideways. Okay, so I'm expecting another bounce here potentially, yes. But look at this. OBB is looking potential reversal in 1-day chart for USD dominance. Okay, so 5-day chart, this is more simple, very simple technical analysis here. From here, ADX negative here, this is like this. Okay, so I am not calling the bottom right now for Bitcoin, but I am calling potentially reversal, at least a bounce for this month and next month. Yeah, I'm still thinking Bitcoin is gonna test 14K in some point this year, yes, but maybe not today. Okay, so I think that's it. This is technical analysis for USD dominance. Yes, next week, I think we are gonna see the signal, and we have better divergence. Let me see. We have this point and this point. Yes, we have. And let me see the weekly chart. Still, the problem here is the ADX is still very strong for weekly chart. So as I said before, any close below 7% for USD dominance, yes, we will see a pullback maybe around 5-6 in the long term. It's going to be very good for Bitcoin, but in general, this is just gonna be a pullback. Why? Because this asset is trending, so it's pullback here and continuation to the upside. Okay, so get ready, just get ready, as I said before. Now, if you're trading altcoins, of course, if I know Bitcoin is testing the major area of supply, it's not very smart buying altcoins right now. Wait for the pullback, and after that, in one day chart, I mean maybe 1 week, and after that you can start thinking maybe to buy some altcoins if you want. Yeah, SP500. Let me see, almost finish this live stream because today, sorry, but I am a little bit busy today. Okay, let me see. SP500. Very constructive here. I really like it. I really like it for a bounce. Yeah, it looks like this asset is gonna test around 4,000 in weekly chart, but this is gonna be just a bounce here, and from there, other pullback. Okay, in weekly chart. Let me see here. We still have the ADX positive here. We don't have buy signal, not yet. So this is just a bounce. Okay, and also we have the buy here. Yeah, same thing. As you can see here, maybe other leg up around 4,000, same as weekly, and this is a wonderful downtrend. This is like this. Okay, I'm sorry, I know you are bullish right now, you want to see green candles because people are so excited, but no, not me. This is like this, and that's it. My arrow is very purple. It's like this. Okay, that's it. Okay, I finished. So let me be clear here. For Bitcoin is, for SP500 is like this, and for Bitcoin is like this, same. Okay, remember, this is after we see potentially the sell signal here in 1 day chart, and after that we have 10 days. So we were gonna see potentially this week. Of course, we have this bounce, maybe a couple days next week, and after that we are gonna see this pullback, or that is my expectation. Okay. Okay. So I think that's it. That's it. Be careful with your altcoins. Be careful with all your altcoins, because if I am right with this pullback, all your altcoins will drop again after 20-30%. Okay. For example, right now we have a Cardano. Just I'm gonna check the oldest one, the oldest. Look at this. Bitcoin is to the moon, right? Reversal, and Cardano is doing nothing. This is like this. Okay, simple. Time is almost over. So ADX is still very, very low here. Contracting here. Be ready, because if I am right with this and Bitcoin is gonna have this pullback, this asset is gonna break down and you will see new lows. Okay, so let me check Ethereum, because Ethereum, yeah, to the moon, right? To the moon. Okay, Ethereum exactly has the signal I am looking for Bitcoin. Okay, this is just about time. Look at this. Testing the zero line here, testing the MA55 here. So a little bit more sideways here, maybe other couple days, three days around there. And when you see the signal here, sell signal here, this is like this. Okay, testing the MA55 here. Wow, we have potential sell signal here, testing the area of supply, testing the MA55 here. Next target, $1 million. Impressive. Okay. Okay, so fair enough. Yeah, to the moon. Oh my God, sometimes it's a little bit difficult for me, because I can see, you have no idea, every time when Bitcoin is moving, you have no idea, my Discord is full of messages. Today just I count around 65 messages from people that I have no idea. They are asking me, hey, do you know Shiba Inu? Doge. I bought Doge last year. What do you think? It's a little bit stressful sometimes, but it's fine. Okay, so that's why, if you know Bitcoin is gonna, I am expecting this pullback here, or continuation to the downside. Yeah, in 1 day chart, remember, 1 day chart. Well, here, no thank you, it's not with me. If you said, oh no, you're wrong, and Ethereum just is to the moon, I don't care. You know why? Because even if we see Ethereum at $1,400, it's a wonderful downtrend. You see, I created this indicator here. This indicator, when you see red, is downtrend. When you see green, is uptrend. So tell me right now the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is to the downside. So we are gonna see the bounce. We could see 1,500 if you want, but this is continuation to the downside. Okay, in a very friendly, wonderful downtrend in one day chart and weekly chart as well. Okay, let me show you the weekly. This is just downtrend or reversal. Actually, this is reversal in weekly chart. Potentially, if we can see maybe the next 2-3 months, we're gonna see a bounce here and here to the moon, right? No, this is continuation. Simple. Okay, remember, all the assets, they will not crash to zero like Luna. I hope so, right? No, like just to zero. No, they are doing waves. Okay, this wave, pullback, this wave, pullback, this wave, and after that reversal, this wave, pullback, this wave, pullback, and that is when you have your trend. Yeah, in one day this asset is gonna do something like this: pullback, pullback, and after that reversal, pullback, and look at this. This area is gonna be your area of demand, and after that reversal, and it's gonna repeat exactly the same pattern: pullback, 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 and after that, what it's gonna do? Break, and this area is gonna be your area of supply. Here, continuation, and that is, my friend, a trend. All the phases I described here, they are the trend. Upside, look at this: upside, distribution, downside, consolidation. Okay. Actually, I'm talking about Ethereum. I said it right now. Yeah. Ethereum, wonderful, wonderful chart for shorts for me, at least in one day chart. Okay. Okay, so for our chart for Bitcoin recap, because I am finishing right now this live stream, because, well, today I have a busy day, sorry. Okay, here, today, right now, as long as the ADX is positive here, and we don't have better divergence in 4-hour chart, today, right now, Bitcoin is still strong. So you are gonna enter in short right now, good luck, but not me. If you wanna enter in short right now, do it, no problem, but I don't want to go to that party. No, thank you. Not because you see this asset testing this point, that means this is the top. No. Maybe if your triangle or rectangle is saying that, okay, no problem, but at least in my case, no. Why? Because as I have a system, and my system is telling me, okay, there is no better divergence, ADX about 23, this asset is still a strong in 4-hour chart. So sideways or continuation, a little, maybe other spike, maybe a little bit more, and that's it. After that, when you see the ADX getting negative, sorry, the ADX getting slope negative, let me remove this. If I see the ADX negative here and also the curve negative here, yes, we will see a pullback, but this asset is gonna be all this weekend in this range. Why? I am projecting a range right now here. Yeah, maybe you say, oh my god, you can see the future. No. Why? Because we are in the biggest area of supply here in one day chart, and also in my experience, this is gonna be your bull trap and continuation to the downside. Why? Because in one day chart we have potential sell signal forming right now. Okay, so if you want to know how, well, it's because I saw it many times. For example, if we see in March here, in March, yeah, 2022, let me go to 4-hour chart. Here, yes, here. That's why it's very important to study in the past. You see, you have the top and you have the bottom, right? And here, people were saying to the moon, right? Look at this, look at the price action. ADX positive here, ADX positive here. What happened? The price was in sideways for a long time. You see? After we saw the ADX with negative slope and also the sell signaling curve, well, is when you saw this rejection. But the break that didn't happen in that moment. After we see a bounce here, and after that, continuation. So this price action is one day chart price action forming. I mean, the sell signal in one day chart forming. Okay, something similar I am expecting right now. Okay, so that's why it's very important you need to study the past. Now I'm gonna show you one indicator I created actually 2 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. But surprisingly, actually, so far it's very interesting. It's experimental. Please ignore this because actually I've been using this for almost all this month and with very good results. Even I don't have a name for this. It's my script. How it's working is very simple. It's a momentum indicator using the difference between the top and the bottom from the candles, and also getting the moving average ME55 because that is the average I'm using. And after that, I am applying volatility, and well, this is the result. Okay, so everything you see here is the difference between the top and the bottom, the bottom and the top, with moving average ME55, and also I apply some formulas of volatility, so you will see expansion phases or contraction phases. Now let me show you here. This indicator was actually very good calling here, this uptrend here in 4-hour chart, something with curve we didn't have. But let me show you the 1-day chart. 1-day chart here, yeah, same as the curve as the OVB. As long as it's below 0 line, or in this case one line, any test to this level is to your major resistance. And now Bitcoin is about to test this area and here as well. So you will see some price choppy action here in 1-day chart, and after that continuation to the downside. Okay, let me show you here the weekly chart. Weekly chart is very impressive with this indicator. When I was doing backtesting, actually I am doing my homework. Technically speaking, every time when you see here and not here, not yet, is when Bitcoin found the bottom, or at least we didn't see the bottom, but at least sorry, let me explain. Bitcoin didn't crash more. Okay, so when we saw this, maybe other test to the bottom, maybe yes, but no new lows, and here no new lows, and since then always in positive territory here, bull market. And technically speaking, right now we are not close. According to this indicator, and not just indicator, actually RSI and ADX and others, well, they are showing something very interesting for Bitcoin. So it's very interesting, yes, because I was expecting to see something like this, forming something like this, yeah, at this point. So if we see a bounce here in weekly chart, this is gonna be just a bounce. That's it, no more than that. Now, if I show you the monthly is very interesting here, because usually when we see the test to the one line here, since 2015 was the last time, and we are gonna test this area here maybe next month. This indicator is very new, so I don't know how exactly it's gonna be the reaction, but if we see this test here maybe next month, potentially we are very close to the bottom between 14k or even this level 17k. It's very interesting right now. And let me show you here the 1-hour chart. With this momentum indicator, we can start looking for same as OVB, better divergence, bullish divergence, and this kind of things, right? Look at this. It's still positive here, it's still trending here. So this asset is gonna enter just inside. If you see a pullback here, you will see continuation at least today. Okay, so in some point I'm gonna release this indicator, but after I execute around 200 trades right now, I execute maybe around 20, so it will take maybe 3-4 months. 12-hour chart, very impressive, I need to say it. Look at this here. We have from this point and this point, we have bullish divergence, something we don't have in curve, as you can see here. Here, bullish divergence, and after that, test to the ME55. And I am very happy with this indicator because it's showing me something like curve is not showing actually. So, but just is a demonstration, okay? Don't take it seriously. This indicator actually, okay? Remember, sometimes I like to show you new things. So, well, this is a new indicator I'm working right now. And also I have an announcement. The application for the trading, remember, the portfolio trading journal, the launch is very soon. It's gonna be very soon. And if you are a member of the Discord, you will get free access. You're supported for the Patreon. You are gonna get free access in the basic level, the basic level. And also we have some winners for for this promotional program. I sent a message to this guy, but he never replied. So if he's your friend, I cannot remember his name. I'm gonna write his name on Discord because I sent a message to him, but he didn't reply. Okay, so please, if you know him from Patreon, please tell him like I am looking for him. So I have announcements. Is first one is the application is gonna be ready. I'm gonna launch this application the last week of July. If you are a supporter of Patreon, you will get free access in the basic tier. So with this application, you will manage your portfolio. You will record all your portfolio, for example, your trades here for Bitcoin, and you will see all the metrics that the exchanges they don't want to tell you, because they tell you the profit rate. Wow. Okay. And that's it, right? The profit and very basic metrics. Like actually, they are not telling you anything. Okay. In this application, you will get your profit factor, your win rate, lose rate, and many things. And not just like that. I think you will see it. I think you will like it. And also, I'm gonna start using this application for showing here my positions. Okay, I will show my positions here with this application. It's for free. Remember, you are supporter of the Patreon, you will get this for free. Okay, so the last thing here, I think that's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. So I think you have any questions? Let me see. Yes, Bebo. Yes, that is my speculation. Okay. As I said before, I can be totally wrong. Totally wrong. No problem at all. If Bitcoin comes here to 25, I will be even more happy. You know why? Because here I will wait with my shorts, because it's this continuation in a very healthy downtrend. Okay, this is downtrend, this is uptrend, uptrend, downtrend. Okay, so I am not fighting the trend. Okay, so that's it, guys, for today. I hope you found this live stream useful. The last thing here is about the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, I need to be very honest with you, is doing something I never seen before. Well, we don't have a lot of data, right? But this is very concerning. This is very concerning. Let me show you why. Because, well, for Bitcoin, even in monthly with this buy signal, is getting rejected by the MA21 and is all holding the 43. Let me be clear. If this level 42, 43 breaks in the monthly, we will see new lows for Bitcoin dominance. And I need to be honest with you. I don't know what is going to happen. If we see that, we are going to see something new for Bitcoin on the markets we never seen before. And I don't know. Remember, I am human, right? I cannot see, I don't have all the answers. My guess, if Bitcoin breaks 42 level, you will see new lows around 37. Yes. If in the context of, if Bitcoin is reversing the trend, I mean, it's an uptrend, is reversing the trend, we are gonna see very nice opportunity for many very good rallies for altcoins. But if Bitcoin is breaking, for example, in this case 17K, also breaking the 43 level in Bitcoin dominance, altcoins will crash even worse. Okay, but pay attention here. It will take a couple of weeks, or maybe 2 months more. But yeah, Bitcoin is doing something I never seen before. As you can see here, more than 1 year of consolidation in monthly. That is not something like I was not expecting, honestly. Honestly, I was expecting 50%. I'm still expecting that. Yes, it's still valid, but we have maybe until August, September. If we don't see it, well, get ready, because this asset is gonna is gonna break down in some point. And if Bitcoin is in downtrend, it's gonna be very bad news for all the market. Okay, guys. So I think that's it for today. Take care. You are okay. Someone is asking me about 1 hour chart. Okay. First of all, I'm not trading 1 hour chart, at least with my system of trading. Let me change this. Okay, 1 hour chart here. Potential sell signal here, yes, but the problem here is ADX. As long as ADX is positive, no thank you, it's not with me, and also the OBV is healthy as well. So no thank you. As I said before, at least for today, I am expecting sideways here, maybe some spikes around 22K, and that's it. So 4 hour chart, same, ADX about 23, positive here, no better divergence, no thank you, it's not with me. No shorts, no thank you, and of course no longs. So today is Netflix time. That's it. Okay, 12 hour chart, same thing, ADX positive here, still positive here, Testing MA55, yes, but we need to see confirmation, so we have to wait. Okay, on one day chart, the most wonderful chart I see here, let me repeat, this is like this. Not exact between this point, but this is like this. Okay, you want to see confirmations? Very simple. Any close below $21,000, you will see continuation up to the downside, because the MA55, MA21 is there, and also the volume, the area of supply is there, the point of control, and potentially you will see this continuation. Okay, I am expecting this setup, yes, next week. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero.